Hello and welcome to the Admiral Studios. My name is Joel. Today I'm here to talk to you about the Admiral Stagedeck Transporter. Now, as you can see, we have two different carts here. One cart suitable for the 2 by 1 meter stage decks, as well as a smaller cart that is tailored for a 1 by 1 meter stage decks. There are many great features on this cart, such as a handle, which will help navigate over a ledge. We have these little notches here that will lock in your stage decks so they don't move, as well as these latches here that will lock your stage decks in place. Before we even begin loading the cart, it's very important to lock the wheels, thus allowing the cart to stay in place when moving. Next, to take into consideration, make sure you're always loading the cart from the inside out. So your first stage deck is here, then here, you work your way out. For example, with 4 stage decks, 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll also notice these notches will fit the beveled stage decks perfectly and lock it in to ensure that the stage decks stays solid. Using a simple butterfly bolt and nut combination, which is included with the cart, you can make sure your stage decks are secure. Now that our cart is fully loaded, I've attached these 2 straps to our stage decks transporter to make sure everything's secure and nothing will move, something we highly recommend. Looking over to our 1 meter stage decks transporter, you can see that it supports, of course, a 1 meter stage decks. We highly suggest that you do not move a 2 meter by 1 meter stage decks, as it is unsafe and will question your intelligence for doing it.